Motion array. Is it worth it? Hey everyone, how's it going? It's Jewel Tolentino here from Essetinomedia, and on this channel, we show you how to create profitable content. Alright, so we have been using motion array for almost 2 years now. And if you don't know what it is, motion array is going to be great for people who are content creators, video editors, people who work with video. So you saw that clip there with that safe opening up and the money popping out and the sounds and everything? That's for motion array. Now you can see here, there's a whole bunch of different things that they offer. They have video templates. So if you use any of these softwares like Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, don't know what that one is, Final Cut, DaVinci Resolve, Premiere Rush, they have these templates. They have motion graphics, which is my favorite, which I'm going to show you in a second. They have stock footage, music, sound effects, graphics, photos, plugins, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And it says here, everything you need to create stunning videos, take projects from concept to completion with unlimited royalty-free stock assets in an all-in-one marketplace. So let me show you what I use it for. So I use motion array for footage, music, sound effects, graphics, photos, but my favorite is the motion graphics. So that's what I'm going to show you guys. I love the motion graphics because they're pre-made and they're such good quality. So there are some talented artists that make this stuff for you ready to use. That's what I like, is that it's ready to use. Now they do have templates and you can alter some of this stuff, but I like the stuff that's ready to go because it's going to save me time. And so motion graphics, basically it's something like this. So you can see someone's made this, you know, for 2024. So if you've got a video coming up for 2024, you know, you can have this pop up on the screen and look at it. It looks awesome. It looks ready to go. This one right here is a scribble pack. So you can get a download of all these different kinds of scribbles and put them as animations, as overlays on top of your videos if you like that kind of effect. Sometimes I like just scrolling through and seeing what's new. You can also type into the search and find something specific, and they're constantly adding to this. I'm not sure how often, but every time I come in here, there's something new. So you can see there's something like this. Liquid effects, so if you want all these different kinds of liquid effects. This is like a Christmas thing going on. You know, you can use this for social media, have text on here, have a video, whatever. It's like, it's ready to go, it's ready to use. And the quality is always so good. I've used something like this before in one of our videos. I love these kinds of videos. So you can see there's all different kinds of things. Right now, as I'm filming this, it's December, so that's why they have like Christmas stuff going on. So they have these Christmas 3D icons pack. So all these are going to be separate icons that you can add into your videos as like popping elements. This right here, letters, if you want the, you know, cut out magazine type letters, you can have things like this, and they have movement on them, which is really cool. So if you're, you know, you have that kind of a theme going on. They have all these kinds of cartoon transitions and overlays. So it's literally anything. You know, there's random stuff too, like here's a controller, video game controller. And sometimes they've got some really nice abstract type videos like this. Sometimes I'll come in here and I'll see something that's just so unique and so beautiful, and I'll just use it for my social media. Or I'll find a way to use it in a video just because it's so cool looking. Like there's this. This will probably get attention if you post that. That thing's funny. And you see someone created that. That's so cool. Oh, this. I've used one of these kinds of things before too. This is a really good animation that happens right here, which gets sculpted into like a statue. And so this is my favorite tab because the stuff's ready to go, ready to use in my videos. And so like I mentioned, I've been using motion array for 2 years now. It's been super helpful. I edit videos for our YouTube channels, as well as we have clients that I need to edit videos for. And so having motion array, you know, in my back pocket as my tool chest here is extremely useful. So in my opinion, motion array is totally worth it if you are a video content creator, either for yourself or you've got clients. They're constantly adding new stuff to this, new footage, new images, new music, new sound effects, and it's really high quality stuff. So I definitely do recommend it. If you guys are interested in checking out motionarray, trying it out, you guys can click down in the description below. I'll have a link to motionarray to check it out. Oh, and I forgot to mention that when you do have a subscription to motionarray, it's unlimited downloads. All right, happy video creating. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.